Finally, the D-Day for our great Indian road trip has come. We will reach Sivasagar, Assam from Bengaluru, Karnataka in 10 days with multiple stops in between. Please check out our detailed plan by clicking I button. Car is loaded now, so we'll be leaving in another few minutes. Today we'll go up to Kurnool and stay overnight.
Our pilot is getting into his seat in for our bon voyage.
Hi.
Kids are ready.
Hello everyone.
We have entered Outer Ring Road in Bangalore, which is also National Highway 44. We'll continue this highway until Seoni in Madhya Pradesh, which is about 1200 kilometers from here. We are in Devanahalli now. We have just crossed Bangalore Airport toll. We are on National Highway 44 towards Kurnool. Kia factory is on our right.
If you own a Kia car, it was manufactured here.
We are crossing Kia factory, it's to our right.
We are right now crossing Kia factory. If you own a Kia car, it was manufactured here.
We just crossed Kia factory in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. We reached our hotel at 10:30 p.m. We already had dinner on the way, so immediately we decided to sleep so that we can get up around 5:30 a.m. Day 2 was our longest drive in the entire trip. We got up at 5:30 and were ready to leave at 6:30.
We are ready for our next destination, which is Seoni. We have stayed overnight. This is the overnight hotel, and now we have packed our bags and we are ready for the next destination.
We are entering Nehru Outer Ring Road in Hyderabad, one of the finest expressways in India.
I didn't start recording. This one?
This is the toll booth for Nehru Outer Ring Road. They have FASTag. Okay, we have entered Outer Ring Road in Hyderabad, or Nehru Outer Ring Road. We have another 50 kilometers on this road before again we reach NH44 to our destination in Seoni. I was told that rightmost two lanes are having a speed limit of 100, and there are automated speed cams which can catch speed violations, so we need to maintain below 100 here. In India, you will not find many roads with legal speed limit of 100, so I'm trying to maintain that limit at this time because other parts of this National Highway 44 I am forced to maintain 80 as there are a lot of speed cams and mobile interceptor vans. Here is a photo of traffic cop with speed cam. Looking at the infrastructure, it will be nice to drive at night also. Accident. Recovery is. Full tank oil on again.
We are still on Nehru Outer Ring Road for another 25 kilometers. And I spotted something. We see another TUV 300 in front of us.
Here ahead you can see speed limits on these 4 lanes. Left 2 lanes having 80 speed limit and right Two lanes are having 100 speed limit.
We'll be leaving Nehru Outer Ring Road in another 10 minutes. We just saw some cops hiding in the bushes with speed cams to catch overspeeders.
We are preparing to exit Nehru Outer Ring Road in 500 meters. It was a great experience to drive on such world-class road. We are taking exit 6 now. There is a toll plaza ahead, and after this toll plaza we will hit National Highway 44 again towards Nagpur. National Highway 44 is also known as North-South Corridor or Srinagar-Kanyakumari Highway. We are still 615 kilometers away from our destination, Seoni in Madhya Pradesh. Oh, here we are crossing a bad accident site in Sadasivanagar, Telangana. One lane is still blocked by police. We are continuing our drive on NH44, currently 58 kilometers away from the Maharashtra border and 375 kilometers away from our destination, Seoni, Madhya Pradesh. On highways, you may see some oversized vehicles. Here is one such example. We are crossing Butibori now. Our original plan was to drive up to Butibori on the first day, which was changed later. Now we are crossing Nagpur, which is on our left. We are 140 kilometers away from our hotel in Seoni, Madhya Pradesh, about 2.5 hours drive from here.
We are entering Pans National Tiger Reserve. It is the only reserve to straddle across two states, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. You know, we all know the famous movie The Jungle Book. The jungle scenes were shot in this tiger reserve. It also got its name from the river Pans.
We are driving on National Highway 44 inside the Pans National Park. Now we are entering Madhya Pradesh. Our hotel in Seoni is 60 kilometers away and about 1 hour drive from here.
I'm staying the night overnight here in Varaka celebration.
In Seoni, beautiful hotel. Especially this is for weddings and birthday celebration. They do have some 20 rooms with all necessary amenities. If you are driving on highway also, you can check this out as an option to stay overnight.
We are trying to find the cats. Here are the cats. One of the cats is drinking water, and the other one is drinking.
They're providing the arrangement for cats to drink water from here.
On day 2, we did 900 kilometers journey from Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh to Seoni, Madhya Pradesh, which took us 14 and a half hours. We all were tired and soon crashed into our beds, as we had 600 kilometers journey to Varanasi on day 3.